Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking a niche and defining 3 content pillars so every piece serves a purpose. Next, create accounts and connect payment or creator settings. This prevents later bottlenecks. Once done, batch produce the first set, write 3 short scripts, craft 3 quick thumbnails, and record in one session to save time. Make sure to keep files organized in one folder. This reduces friction and speeds editing. You now move into recording and editing. Aim for 2-4 usable takes and pick the clearest performance. During editing, focus on audience retention. Tighten the opening 10 to 15 seconds and remove dead air. Once trimmed, add captions and a clear CTA, then optimize title, description, and tags with your top keywords. Make sure to export in the platform's recommended format and resolution. This avoids upload. You finish by scheduling and publishing at a time your audience is active. Monitor the first 24 hours for engagement signals. Once live, respond to comments in the first hour to boost visibility and encourage shares. If performance is poor, don't panic. Diagnose quickly. Change the thumbnail or title, refresh metadata, and reshare to stories or groups. A single troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail, clear cache, compress to recommended specs, and retry. Most issues resolve.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.